Hello, football lovers. I greet you all. If it is your first time here on this channel, Injection Football TV, make sure you don't leave without hitting the subscribe button and the notification so you notify next time I drop the video. So please like. So read data updated you today is that Orlando Pirates announced that Jose Rivero will leave the club. Why I decided to announce my debut from Orlando Pirates now? Orlando Pirates head coach Jose Rivero has revealed that he obtained to announce his decision to leave the club in June to allow the Buccaneers enough time to plan for his successor. Obviously, in ideal world, one would have been wanted to hold on making any statement until the end of the season, but it's not possible. He told the club media team. The club needs to plan for its future and it's only fair that they are given time to do so. The 47-year-old joined the Buccaneers in July 2022 and has been in charge of 121 games, collecting 77 wins so far. He is also fielded 3 MTNL titles and 2 Nedbank Cup trophies. So, if you are new here on this channel, Injection Football TV, make sure you don't leave without hitting the subscribe button and the notification so you'll notify next time I drop the video. And please rewrite your thoughts on the comment section.